go. Boom. Boom. Hood is up. Stays up. Today we about to do the hood, not the hood, the damn trunk shocks on this 350Z. It's easy, man. Just 2 bolts and just slap it. You'll see what I'm talking about. Just in case someone want to know how to do this shit, this is how you do it. Say how you know you need hood shocks. It's pretty obvious. Shit won't go up. Well, stay up. Some people use a vise. Some people say you could hit it and it'll come back to life or some shit. Man, that's what changed that shit, man. That shit's not even $100, not even $50. I bought mine for like 40 something dollars for 2. You know what I'm saying? So let's start this. Okay, you're gonna need a stick to hold the trunk up while you change your shocks. Just like this. See what I'm talking about? It's a shock. Now you're gonna remove these 2 bolts right here. 1, 2. To take this off, take this out your way so it's not in your way. So what we do is twist it. And you're gonna need a 10 to twist on this. Okay, so this is a 12, not a 10. Okay, all you do is go over here, boom, twist, sit till it loosen all the way. Okay. Make sure you're, see, just like that. Make sure you're holding the trunk. Okay, once you do that, it should fall like this. Boom. Now, 10s over here, 2 10s. Pop that off. Okay. Boom. Boom, boom. Okay. Take this off. Old one. Boom. Keep these bolts. The new one right here. Okay, nice. Old one, I mean the new one came with new bolts. See right here. Boom. New bolts are right here. Boom. So we're gonna screw this on first and put this, on it, cause usually this would be on there. All you do is have a flathead, take it out, pop it out, put it in. You'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna pop this off because I don't think it's gonna go on like that. You know what I'm saying? I don't think it'll go on like this. But save that time. Take this shit off, man, right here. With a flathead or something. Put it in here. Just pop it out. Should pop out. See how it's popping out. It's like that. Boom. She don't fly anywhere. Okay. Once you pop this out, you could you have to do the other side too. Pop that out. Same thing. I should do this to the top, but for the bottom I'm gonna leave it like this so I could just put it on there. Let's put the bottom one on there. This one right here. Let's put that on there so we could just, bolt it on. It's like the old one. Boom. Just like this. See that? I don't know why I didn't do that with the top, but whatever. We could put it on after. Alright. Let's bolt this on. Over here. With the 10s. Okay, bolting it on. Okay, now screw this on the 12. Don't forget the washer. Comes with a washer. Okay, boom. Up here, like so. Soon you screw it on. Tighten it with your 12. Boom, boom. Okay, now put this on it. This twist it. Now I gotta put the trunk a little higher because, you know, this thing's a little high. Or you can push down on this. Nope, it's not. All right, so let's put the trunk higher and slap the shit on there. Okay, once you do that, don't forget to put this on it over here. You definitely gonna need 2 hands to put this on there. Okay, so put that on there, 2 hands, slide it on. Okay, it'll be easier if you go up top over here and just slide down like this, and it should clip on there. Let's do the same thing we did here to the other side. Over there, same thing. So I'm gonna do that and wrap it up. Don't forget to put this on there. Some people forget this. Don't forget this. All you gotta do is put it in there, twist. Boom. She don't come off. And that was it. So, you see how easy that was? If you have any questions, comment below. Hit me on Instagram, Jules Mechanics. And don't forget to give me a like if I helped you out. And subscribe. Later.